Okay. Continuation, ano? Magre-reading tayo. Assuming na meron tayong engine room log sheet. For example, ano, nakalagay dito, main engine control. Yan. Tingnan natin yung main engine control. Punta tayo ng panel directory. Yan. Again, 110. Yan. Pindutin nyo yung main engine bridge control. Ano daw yung position ng telegraph? Ayun, naka-knob pull. Lagay nyo ngayon doon sa logbook. Telegraph position, knob pull. RPM, sabi niya. Ano daw yung RPM? Ito yung command. Ito yung actual RPM. So, itong actual ang ilalagay nyo. 73.9. Yan ang actual RPM. And then, fuel oil storage tank. Ayan. Pag sinabing fuel oil storage tank, punta ka again ng process directory. Napin mo yung 03. Ayan. Or fuel oil transfer system. Pindutin mo yan. So, ito yung mga storage tank natin. No? Up bunker tank, sabi niya. Up bunker tank. Ayan yung up bunker tank. So, anong level niya? 18. Ayan, 18 meters. Bakit meters? Ayan, kasi ang kanyan is 18 meters, sorry. Susunod, port bunker tank. O, ayan yung port bunker tank. Anong level niya? 16. Yun ay susulat nyo. Kung hinihingi rin yung temperature, ayan naman yung temperature. Diyan nyo makikita din. Kung hinihingi level nito, 16, ang temperature, 45. Then, starboard bunker tank. Ayan, starboard bunker tank. So, level is 16. And the temperature is 44. Then, the port bunker tank. Ang level ay 10. Temperature is 43. Yan. Next is diesel oil storage tank. So, pag diesel oil storage naman, balik kayo sa process directory. Tingnan natin sa settling or 04. Pindutin natin yan. So, wala. Process directory again. So, ganun lang. Hanap-hanap. So, ayun. So, nakasulat, diesel oil storage tank. Ang color niya is yellow. Anong level niya? 3.4. Temperature niya is 20. And then, punta tayo sa other fuel tanks like fuel oil service tank. Again, process directory. 05. Or fuel oil service tank. HFO service tank. So, ayan. HFO service tank. Level, 3.69. Temperature, 63.49. HFO settling. So, balik tayo ng process directory. But since nandito na tayo, we can also do the diesel oil service tank. This is the level, 4.11. And temperature is 36.7. For HFO settling tank, number 1 and number 2, balik tayo ng process directory. Hanapin nyo yung 04. In here, you have your HFO settling tank number 1 and HFO settling tank number 2. Yun yung level. Ayun yung temperature. So if you need to get both, ito naman yung sa 1. Level and temperature. Spill oil tank, sabi niya. Level daw ng spill oil tank. So we go to process directory. Fuel oil transfer. So ayan. Nasa fuel oil transfer yung spill oil tank. Ayan. You need it to get the level. Ayan, 0.1. For lube oil tank, sabi niya. So, punta kayo again ng process directory. Hanapin nyo yung number 12 for main engine lubrication system. Hanapin nyo raw yung sump tank ng lube oil. Ayan. So, ayun yung level, 1.46. Cylinder oil storage tank. So, ayun, sa taas. Ayun yung level, 0.71. Cylinder oil day tank. O, ayun. 0.92. Dirty bilge water tank. So, bilge naman tayo. So, go back to process directory. Hanapin nyo yung bilge well, 62. Or bilge water separator, 63. Tingnan nyo dyan. Dito muna tayo sa 62. So, hanapin natin yung dirty bilge water tank. So, wala dito. What is the number of bilge water tank? So, we go to 63. Pwede rin tayo magpunta rito using this button. 63. So, ayun. Dirty bilge water tank. Ano level? 0.91. And then, clean bilge water tank. So, asan yung clean bilge water tank? Ayan. Anong level? 0.3. So, this is just the basic ng watch keeping. Yan, pag nagre-reading tayo ng logbook. Because this is very important parameters na pinagbabasihan natin sa mga duty natin. O, tumataas ba yung temperature or bumababa ba yung level, tumataas ba yung level. So, from logbook, nakakapag-desisyon tayo, o lalo na si chief engineer. Yan. So, medyo kulang ito, pero this is just an example. Thank you.